Hi guys, Dr. Marvin here, just with a quick announcement about end of course evaluations. I just wanted to let you know that the end of course evaluation is available, and you should see a link right there in Moodle to complete that end of course evaluation. End of course evaluations are really important for a lot of different reasons. One is that it provides me with a lot of great insight and feedback from you, the consumers of the course, my students. It allows me to take your feedback and make improvements, not only for this course the next time I teach it, but also for my overall strategies as an instructor. Second, it provides the university with some great feedback around the curriculum, what's working well, what's not, and helps us strategically plan for future courses and success for you guys as students. So because of the importance of the course evaluations, what I would like to do is offer you feedback, for you providing me with your valuable feedback. I'd like to offer you extra credit for the course. The course evaluation is completely anonymous. So I have no idea who has or who has not completed the course evaluations. So what I'm going to need in order for you to be awarded your extra credit, I'm going to need a screenshot of after you hit submit. You'll get a little screen that shows that you submitted the course evaluation. So just take a screenshot of that and email it to me, and you will get the extra credit for completing that course evaluation. But if you don't send me the screenshot, I have no idea that you completed the course evaluation, again, because it's completely anonymous. So again, since it is completely anonymous, please, especially in the comment section, share your honest, sincere feedback. What worked well, what did not work well, what do you think might be able to improve the course, improve my teaching, those sorts of things. The last piece on this is that the course evaluation will end promptly at 11:59 p.m. on June 24th. So June 24th, Friday, at 11:59, the course evaluation will end. So you need to complete it before then. Otherwise, it will not be available. So any questions, let me know. Take care, be well, and we'll talk soon.